Artista! Kaya nag-start to eh. Ang gusto ko sa'yo.
Good job.
Wag
Discount.
mo nang bulungan. Alam niya yan.
May request lang ako sa height.
Ano yan?
I will add 3.7 sa dulo ng game price.
Okay, we have a client. Actually, yung client ko na yun. We're able to talk to him through Viber. Uy, yes, yung paring Gio. My boss. Artista! Ayun na. Kaya nag-start to eh. Gusto ko sa'yo.
May collection ko. Interesado ka ba dyan?
Puro ako mga rare ng motor yung ina.
Motor ka.
Sarap nga niya, no? Walang parkingan. We have a client. Itong client na, tinawagan na tayo through Viber. And he's actually looking for a very nice watch. Actually, alam niya, maalam sa relo yun pare. He's looking for a 116600, which is a Sea Dweller yun. Pakita ko sa inyo. Here it is. We're selling it for almost 800k siya. This is a 40mm. If I were to wear medyo malaki na Submariner type, I would go for this one, Sea Dweller. Hindi makakapunta si client. We will done deal over the phone, pero may representative siyang pupunta. Boss, kamusta? Hi, nice to meet you. Hello po, ma'am. How are you? Please have a seat po. Juice muna, ma'am. Tsaka counting
Pero may
patubig lang.
konti lang kaming pasalubong lang.
Ay, totoo ba?
Yes.
Nag-abala ka pa.
Hindi nagagawa kasi ako ng coffee.
Ayun! RTD. RTD guys, ready to drink.
magugustuhan mo.
Anong shelf life nito, pare?
3 to 4 days. Best.
3 to 4 days. Nandito si ano, paring G! Nagkape ka na?
Konti, pero parang kaya ko pa.
May mga RTD ako dito. Chocolate, hindi masyado matamis.
Spanish.
Spanish yung hindi masyado.
Balance lang.
Paring Cholo, gusto ka?
Sea salt na lang.
Sea salt na lang. Oh.
na to, Mars Vlogs.
Wow! Oo nga, dami. Daming vlog. Eh, vlog mo si Cholo. Kung wala siya vlog. Mira, sa'yo na yan. O, sa akin tong barista drink. Boss, maraming salamat ha. Ikaw yung nagunta, ikaw pa nagpainom. Ito. Good commercial, no? Can I do for you today, sir?
Sea Dweller.
Yes! Nakausap ko actually personally si Sir Jack. Now, he's in abroad. Saan sa abroad ba siya? UK. He's looking for a particular watch, which is the 116600. So, ito actually is very interesting because this watch is only produced for 2 years. So, I think alam niya kasi hinanap niya talaga to. Here it is, the Sea Dweller 40. We call it the SD40. Should we call him ba?
Yeah, sure.
Ikaw na tumawag, boss. Nahiya ako eh.
Sige, ito.
Sir Jack!
May idol.
Haha! Ikaw ang idol ko, boss. Kamusta, brother? Finally, I meet you.
Plano ko sana, December. Pero nakita ko na yung watch. Wala pa.
Is there any particular reason why you were looking for the 116600, which is the SD40?
I'm a fan of dive watches.
Dive watches. Okay, perfect.
Since then, in my mind talaga gusto ko sa but during my Rolex looking out, na-inlove ako sa Dweller.
SD40. Kasi actually, pare, sobrang gandang choice nito. Even for me, if I were to wear a Sea Dweller, it will only be this. Because this is a very compact Sea Dweller. This is a reference 116600. This only has been produced for only 2 years. 2 years lang ginawa ni Rolex to and then they discontinue it agad. I'm not sure why, pero they then turned into the 43mm na Sea Dweller, yung mas malaki pa, to cater to the bigger wrist market. So, for this one naman, sa mga small wrist na wants to enjoy a really clean Sea Dweller, ito yung pinakamagandang choice. We also have here, as per your request, some Submariners. So we have a 40mm na Submariner, reference 116610. No date pa to? Okay, sorry. 114060 pala to kasi this is no date. Isa naman, this is a 41mm na Submariner. This is the newest model ni Submariner. The latest, it's 126610 reference. This is 41mm naman. Can I ask how big your wrist is?
7 inches.
For 7 inches, a 40mm would actually perfect fit you well. But if you opt to go for a 41mm, not big of a difference naman. So I think any of these watches would fit you. However, if you really want to go to that dive watch character, you have to go for the Sea Dweller talaga. To be honest, this is very rare. Medyo mahirap siya hanapin. We don't always have. It's quite in the heavy side though. If you're okay with that, then there's no problem. But if you want something lighter, then you have to go for the no date. What do you think?
Can my nephew feel the watch on his wrist?
Can you feel the watch? Yeah, medyo mabigat siya. For the Sea Dweller. Now, check mo naman to. Do you want something with date or no date?
Actually, with the date, I actually give the picture to my nephew, yung 116610, and
Yeah.
then
Do we have a 11? Sir, sorry, sub date is reserved. Yung 2014.
so it made this Sea Dweller then.
So, Sea Dweller ka talaga siguro, sir. Let's go for this one. The SD40, it's complete set, box, papers, and you get 1-year warranty sa amin. We are selling this for 779. This is a 2015 model. Oh, it's a white card na. Perfect. Mas maganda pag ganito yung card. Mas maganda value. because it's the last of its kind, meaning it's the one of the last produced.
I love it.
779,000. Do we have a deal?
Good job.
Wag
Discount.
mo nang bulungan. Alam niya yan. Let me check the best that I can do for you. For this one, sir, I could do 765,000.
May request lang ako sa high.
Ano yan?
Actually, I will add, not decrease the amount.
Huh?
I will add 3.7 sa dulo ng iyong price. Is that okay?
765,777.
Ah, gusto mo ng maraming 7?
Yes.
Hindi dapat ginawa na natin 7777 lahat.
Okay na yung 767,777.
It's your choice.
One more before we done deal. Pero pasign yung likod ng box, hindi ba mawawala ang warranty nun?
Hindi naman.
Idol ka na talaga eh.
Okay lang, sige. So ano, done?
Deal.
Done. Thank you so much, boss. Ito nakamayan ko. Done deal. Maraming salamat. So, 765,777. Maraming salamat, Sir Jack. I hope to meet you soon. I'll do the honors. Grabe naman. Haha, maraming salamat, sir. Even your hoodie, sir?
Yes, please.
Signed.
Thank you.
Ingat palagi, sir. God bless. Thank you, bossing.
Congrats po sa. Thank you.